In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Kentucky Bourbon Pecan Pie. You don't want to miss this. Be back in just a second. Hi, my name is Becky and I am a homeschooling mom of 2 and I have been homeschooling since 2012. If you are new to our channel, welcome. We are so glad you are here. Please consider subscribing and clicking that little bell notification down at the bottom. Here on this channel, we talk about homeschooling, homemaking, and everything in between. And we also have a blog, which is russellslovinglife.com. There, I give you tips and tricks and things that I have learned through my years of homeschooling. Make sure to check that out and also to sign up for our email list, because I always send out some awesome deals that I get from a lot of my affiliates. And I also let you know every time we upload a new blog post. So make sure to check that out. And if you are a returning Russell fam, we are so glad you are back. For today, we are going to make Kentucky Bourbon Pecan Pie. I will leave all of the ingredients and everything in the description box below, but we are going to start with 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and it's softened here. We are going to get 1 cup of dark brown sugar, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, half a teaspoon of salt. You are going to need 3/4 of a cup of dark brown Karo syrup. You are going to need 2 tablespoons of Kentucky bourbon. Your choice, you can use less or more, however you want to do it. And you are going to need 2 cups of pecan halves. And you can make your own pie crust, or you can buy a pre-made one like we did here. So we are going to get started. We are going to take our 6 tablespoons of softened butter. We are going to add our brown sugar, and we're going to use a mixer and get it all incorporated. All right, we got the butter and the sugar incorporated. So now we're adding 1 egg in at a time, and we're going to mix that all together. This is egg 1. And make sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees while you're getting all of this together. So we're going to get the eggs done, and we'll be back to show you what it looks like. All right, we've got it cream and smoothie. That is all 3 eggs in there. So now we are going to add in our vanilla, our salt, our corn syrup, and our bourbon. So here is the vanilla. The salt, the bourbon, and all of the alcohol does cook out of that, so it is okay to serve it to your children. And then we're going to add in the corn syrup. You're going to get it all incorporated. Just stir it up and get it incorporated. We have added all the ingredients, so now we are taking our pre-made pie shell and we are going to add 1 cup of pecans down in the bottom. Just kind of spread them out and layer them around. And you want to make sure you put them on this cookie sheet, so if anything bubbles up and spills over, you do not end up with a pile of syrup and sugar in the bottom of your oven, because that would not be good. I know I don't like cleaning a big mess out of the bottom of the oven. All right. That may not be quite a cup, but we got it layered in the bottom. So we're going to put our filling in. And then after we get done with the filling, we are going to put another layer of pecans on the top. So that is the creamy pie filling. Looks delicious, smells delicious. I wish we had smell-o-vision. That looks so good. All right, so now we are going to start layering the pecans on top from the rest. Just kind of sprinkle them all around. You want to make sure they're good and even. And our oven has already preheated. And there again, you want to preheat it to 350 degrees. All right, we've finished putting the pecans on the top. We have our cookie sheet right here. We are now going to bake the pie at 350 degrees for 45 to 55 minutes. And we're going to watch the crust around the edges. If it starts to get too brown, around 30 to 40 minutes, then you can either put a pie shield around it or make a homemade aluminum foil ring just around it to protect those edges so it's not burning or browning way too much. And when it comes out of the oven, I'll show you what it looks like. We let it cook for 45 minutes in the oven, and this is what it looks like. We just pulled it out. We're going to let it sit here and cool for 30 minutes, and then we're going to cover it and we're going to put it in the fridge. I hope you have enjoyed this video of this pecan pie because it was amazing. We make it pretty much every year and it goes by so fast. Like, you think it's there and then it's gone. So if you do not get your dessert first, it is going to be gone. So make sure when you make this pie, if you take it anywhere, that you get a piece because it is going to be gone. As always, remember to be kind, be careful, be considerate, and have a great day. Bye.